All right, I'm Jagnoor and I have with me my legal partners. His name is Advocate Amitesh, and he's the one who's been creating all the legal contracts, all the legal formalities that we do behind the show. So, Amitesh, you've seen the show. How was your experience? And please give us a feedback about the show.
It was an amazing experience, I would say, and it was at par excellence. I mean, the kind of crowd that came in, the kind of contestants that were here, and the way Jagnoor trained all of them and groomed them, it was just amazing. It was a surreal experience. I would thank Jagnoor for such an event, and I hope he does more events in future. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, Amitesh. Means a lot. I'll see you very soon. Yes, absolutely. I have my mother, who also happens to be the director of my agency, Mrs. Mintu Aneja. So, Mom, how was your experience? She was the only one who was the most nervous day in, day out. Finally, the shows happened. Mom, what do you have to say?
Today is a very proud moment for me. Jagnoor has been working very hard. He has been working very hard. It was 3 very tough years for him after his dad went away. But today he has got up and come back in action again. And God bless him. Oh, everything.
Thank you, Mama. All right, moving ahead. Give me 2 minutes, Yotsna ji. Moving ahead, we have with us a very dear friend, the director of India Luxury Foundation, and of course, the direction of India Luxury Foundation, and my elder brother, that's Mr. Gaurav Grover. So he's the man who's put in all the efforts behind this show, and I have with him my president of India Luxury Foundation, Palka Grover ji. So thank you so much for your support, first of all. And what are your views about the show, the contestants, the grooming? You saw the contestants starting se leke abhi tak. What has been the changes?
First of all, I'd like to congratulate you for putting up such an amazing show. It was really nice. I met the contestants a few days back and I can see them evolve. The way you worked on them, I think they've been lucky to be guided by you, one of the best in the country for sure. And I can see the difference, how they have evolved over the days and what they were today. I mean, there's a big difference.
All right, thank you.
Congratulations to you. And they wouldn't have been able to find a better mentor than you, somebody who's such a widely experienced guy who's done shows world across and various continents. So if they had you as a mentor with them, that's the best thing they could get.
All right, moving ahead, we have with us Mr. India 2021, ISMF Mr. and Miss India 2021, powered by My Protein. You see his body and you see he's been gymming for years now. So Prakash, जीतने के बाद जब आपने अपना नाम सुना स्टेज के ऊपर, contestant number 7, जो कि मैं ही ले रहा था, of course, I was the MC also. I was feeling very happy. How was your experience, Prakash?
First of all, thank you so much to guide me, and I learned a lot from this place. And जब मेरा नाम आया तो I was like shocked. It's the biggest achievement in my life what I got today. Seriously, मेरी लाइफ में मैंने I don't think इससे ऊपर कुछ मैंने achieve किया है. Because of you, sir. Thank you. I remember first day, even how we are speaking, how I'm talking, and then after that you just that confidence he built in us, and that like he groom. Even he said yesterday, like he looking at me like, oh, you groom already. And
So it's a very different journey when the contestants come on day one. They're absolutely different, not so groomed. But in the span of 10 days, जब बहुत सारे mentors आते हैं, ramp walk की training के लिए, styling की training के लिए, basic social etiquettes, behavior, and all of that. There's a difference of personality when the contestants hit the ramp. With this, without wasting much time, we have with us Miss India 2021 by ISMF, Aarti. How was it when you heard that you are the winner? Did you expect to be the winner?
Yes, I believe that all the contestants were very, very deserving, but maybe I was trained by one of the talented Jagnoor, sir. So definitely, I think I have the abilities and I deserve this crown. So I'm very happy. This gesture is just so much thankful to you. I am overwhelmed.
All right, by the way, you have a lovely ring in your hand today. All right, moving ahead, we have with us Amit Tyagi, who's the actual man who's always in front of the camera. Amit, ऐसा बहुत कम होता होगा कि आपका कोई इंटरव्यू ले रहा है. तो आज ये हो गया. आज ये पकड़े गए, ये मेरे हाथ आ गए हैं. So Amit, how was your experience? I know it was a little difficult initially, but on the jury panel, you're traveling, everything. How was your experience?
Well, जगनूर ने बहुत अच्छा हमारा ख्याल रखा and had so much fun judging the event. So nice talent. दिल्ली हमेशा ही हमारी इंडस्ट्री को सब कुछ देता है and I think I saw a lot of talent. मैंने काफ़ी interesting सवाल पूछे लड़कों से भी लड़कियों से भी. So I see all these people a new talent, maybe in some web series, film, TV serials. So Jagnoor, thank you so much for everything.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Amit. And it's been an honor to have you on our show. And I hope this is a very, very long-term association for years to come. And moving ahead, thank you so much. Sunny from JS Entertainment. He's the man behind this beautiful setup, the production design, the lights, the music and everything. Sunny, you've been in the industry for so many years. And you've been with me for so many years. So during the pandemic, putting up a show like this in the capital of India has been a tedious task. But Sunny, how was your experience working with me after a lot of period of time?
It was a lovely experience and मुझे अराउंड 14 ईयर्स हो गए हैं इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर एंड जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है जगनूर भैया के साथ, ठीक है ना, इट्स अ फैमिलियर बिहेवियर. मैं यहाँ पर कोई किसी प्रॉफिट के लिए नहीं यहाँ पर मैं इनके साथ जोड़ा. मैं सिर्फ एक इनके रिलेशनशिप के साथ इनके साथ जुड़ा हूँ. मैं इनके साथ जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मिला था तो मुझे लगा कि ये मेरे एक यंगर ब्रदर है, ठीक है ना. मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि ये मेरे लिए कोई एक एज कोई कंपनी है कि इनके साथ मुझे काम जुड़ के करना चाहिए, कि मुझे फ्यूचर में कभी प्रॉफिट होगा या नहीं होगा. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम, ठीक है ना, कि हमने आज काम किया, आज काफ़ी टाइम हमने बाद काम किया, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं थैंक यू कहूँगा जगनूर भैया को कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया अपने साथ जुड़ने का. एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स टू मिस्टर अमित त्यागी जी. इनके साथ पहली मुलाकात में ही हमें इतना अच्छा लगा कि जेन्युइन पर्सन है, ठीक है ना. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
All right, so moving ahead through the walkthrough, we have a very talented model who's an alumni of our agency. Her name is Shivali. She's done various Punjabi film songs, Haryanvi songs, Bhojpuri songs. So, Shivali, how was your experience today?
It's very nice. It's very nice. It's very amazing show जो जगनूर ने host करा है पूरा और मतलब everything is very perfect here.
All right, thank you, Shivali. With this, we are gonna sign off, and I hope you had a great show, and I hope everybody enjoyed. Special thanks to my very dear friend Amit Tyagi and Nupur, of course, who's right behind the camera. So it's a great team, Amit, Nupur. I love you both, and you are actually the pillars of this show. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I am back and I have with me my casual wear designers from Ruhak, Asa Sethi and Pooja Bhutani. Asa, you've done a tremendous hard work in all these time for your stitching of clothes to styling the contestants. How has your journey been with us?
Oh, it was amazing. It was a pleasure. We got the opportunity, to dress up these dolls. And every garment of ours looked, so pretty on them. Like it was just designed. I saw them and I kept them, their personality in their head while designing it. And these girls just rocked it out. So it was amazing.
Pooja ji, how was your experience?
Oh, it was wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, guys. With this, we move towards our first runners-up. We have with us our first runners-up, Anu Chaudhary. Anu, what was your feeling when I announced, actually, you were the first runners-up of ISMF Mr. Miss India 2021?
I was not expecting that, and I'm really happy I won that title.
Were you expecting to be the winner?
No, I was not even expecting to be in top 5.
Absolutely. So this is the best part about winners, and the unexpected people win. With this, I'm signing off. Thank you so much, everybody. We have with me one of the very important parts of the event. His name is Param Singh. He's been running around making this event possible. Whether it's managing the celebrities or handling the back-end work, You've been working really hard, Param. How has been your experience in the show? आपका experience कैसा रहा है show के अंदर?
My experience was so good, but it was so tiring. मतलब ऐसा था कि सांस लेने टाइम नहीं था. But finally I am happy कि last में जो हमारा show हुआ वो मतलब लग रहा है कि मेहनत रंग लाई.
मेहनत तो रंग लाती ही है. So thank you so much. I'd like to thank my team. My team consisted of Rakhi Narang, Muskan, Bharat, Shan, Karthik, Hitul. I'd like to thank everybody for their amazing hard work. Thank you so much.